The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Brandywine Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, Fortesk Beach, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light, Sea Breeze and Ship John Shoal Light, until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Cross Ledge Light, moving northeast at 45 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over Fortesk Beach by 4 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.